This is a sign of a bad bearing with the wheel on now. See that? The whole tire is moving. Let's try to get a good angle for you guys. See that? Also, when you get from here, everything's moving. Now when you go underneath the car and do that, what you see is just the axle moving. I don't know if I could get that on camera, but so nothing else is moving. The ball joint's not moving, the control arm bushings aren't moving, the power steering rack isn't moving. Only the CV axle is moving back and forth when you touch the wheel and you move it. And that's a sign of a bad bearing in here, in the spindle. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel, and also check out NewYork3rdGen.com. That's where I hang out. Tell them the clown sent you, and like my videos. Thanks and take care.